Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Tita, Tita.
Thank you.
Whoa!
Who's that for?
Titi.
Nick!
Who's that for?
Tito dapat Tito.
How do you split that? How do you split that? How much money? 33. How much money was it?
99.99 divided by 3.
I'm thinking $5 for each and then 85 for me.
Oh, wow.
There's your dolly.
Oh, wow. Thank you. God bless.
Here you go, Joanna. Done. To you. Who wants
Say thank you, Grandma. Did you guys say thank you, Grandma? Tapos siya naman. Hug Grandma now, guys.
I love you so much.
Eh, ba't ganyan ang hug? Ba't ganyan ang hug? Ha? Hello?
I opened your mail.
Love you in Portuguese? Mi amor.
Mi amor.
Yeah. They're the same.
No, they aren't.
Yeah.
Because Portuguese word is please in Spanish, and I'm guessing Filipino, and Portuguese. Did you know?
Okay, you can have the scissors now, anak. Grandma is done with...
I already got out the door.
Gilana, see, let me see here. It's your friend. Put it here, Gilana. So I'll see you. Can you put it here? Gilana, put it here.
Here comes Santa.
Gilana, can you put your toy here? Put it here. Thank you. Okay, sing now, Jade. Here. Oh, here. Hindi ko na makita. Gilana, can you put it here?
All your clothes look the same.
Gilana, can you put it here? Your high guys cannot see it.
Hey, Mommy, hey,
They're sour.
You just have like a
Ito
special
na.
thingy on them to make it sour.
Very sour.
Yeah, I don't know what it is though. Grandma, are you gonna eat?
Kain ka na daw, Mali. No, Grandma is still opening the gift. Oh, you got 19. So how much is that? 99.99 divided by 3?
Let's go on the calculator. I want to eat cash.
33 times 3 is 99.
Hello, hello.
Here. What's 100? How is 100? Divided by 3. What's 10?
It doesn't come out equal.
Yeah, it's really coming out.
33.33.
Okay, someone get the calculator. What's 99?
Namumblema na naman si Julin.
3 is 99.
Yeah, 33.
That goes to 99, there's $1 left over.
Well, there's more.
Namumblema na naman si Julin dong.
Bakit?
Kung gusto niya ng buhay. Niya.
Your love language is definitely money.
Credit is good, but you need cash, anak.
Yeah. Credit is good though. But really, I don't use my card.
No, it's not. Lucas.
I mean, yeah. Credit is good.
Okay, somebody's playing. Nobody's playing with her. Jade, you're not playing.
I am too. I'm watching her play. So that's basically supervising.
Okay, go supervise her.
I am. You want to help? Wow, look at her pretty hair.
Oh, wow.
Here you go. Tell me if you need help. Oh, wow.